How you guys doing today? This is Unfaithful Dragon coming out with you a little side part of our whole exploration, our sinkhole exploration actually it's called. We are going to get the camcorder and the key card to finish the game. And I come at you with Zale and Skeet that's already in the hole. So here we go with our exploration. Alright guys, ready? My fucking overlay is frozen.
Here.
My overlay.
Take this lizard. Here.
There we go. My overlay was frozen for a second. Alright. Oh, leggy. Alright. Sorry guys, it's really dark in here for me. I don't know about you guys, but...
You can try turning up your gamma.
Oh yeah, try anything. Yeah. Sorry guys, this is, you know, this is how it goes usually. Please... I don't see gamma.
Are you turning up your gamma?
Light scatter? Is that what would be considered? Yeah, there is no gamma.
Skeet. Can you hold
Yep,
for
no
a
gamma.
second?
Alright, let's go. Your torch is
No,
bright enough.
no brightness.
No brightness, no gamma. Let me combine this with a rag and I'll just make a torch. Oh my god, we built that shelter outside.
Oh my god.
Paper. Alright, it's paper. You guys can pause it if you want to read that. And then here's a tape for the camcorder.
Dark-hated person was trying something.
And we can light this fire later.
Labeled Megalodon's arrival.
Okay. Sorry guys, in the left-hand corner you can see we were building and then, you know, we just decided, let's just go exploring, and we really haven't been back to our house since we went exploring.
Yeah, initially, before we were gonna go down this sinkhole, we were out trying to get deer skins, and we ended up making a goddamn treehouse.
There's two ways to go down. Do you want to go down that way back there, or this way?
This way.
This way.
Yeah, we have a bunch of furniture and decorations at our house that we never finished.
As you can tell.
Yeah, so you'll be seeing a lot of these corner
I
stuff.
hear something. Hey, I see two people.
Okay.
I see dead people. I'm falling.
I saw that. You need a flare down there? Should I throw a flare?
Yeah, throw a flare, throw a flare.
Popping flare. Oh my god, there's a lot of guys down there. Sorry guys, that flare might be a little bright.
3 spoopy, 5 for me.
Did you say 3 spoopy, 5 me?
Yes.
Press F to pay respects.
Let's have to pay
Donate
respects.
$5 to pay respects.
Pay $5 for the chance to pay respects. EA.
Sorry, we've been playing too many EA games. Over here, guys, there's a fence we can break.
You've been playing too many EA games.
EA.
Pay to win active.
Pay to play as Stephen Curry. Steph Curry.
Pay for a chance to win.
You get your fucking flame out of my face.
Oh, fuck.
I'll throw.
Oh crap! I didn't die,
Are
but
you still alive?
I'm alive. But
He's alive.
Babies, babies,
oh,
babies.
babies, legless. There's something down here I can grab, but
You should have let me throw a flare.
I slipped. I was trying to look over the. Ow, ow, ow! Oof, oof, oof.
Armsy.
You guys can see what. Oh, camcorder. Just run by and grab it. Run by and grab it. Put the camcorder down. Put the camcorder down, please.
Where's the camcorder at?
It's over there in the left-hand corner. Back up, I go. I'm going back up. I lost all my. I lost about left-hand corner. You know, guys.
Gotcha, bitch.
We're pretty
Gotcha, bitch.
professional. I promise. I can't see. I don't want to move until I can see.
Only the
Let's
best
throw a bomb
footage.
Yes, we only give you the best footage of me running around.
Let's throw a bomb down there. Let's throw a bomb down.
Oh, okay, so it covers your bone armor. The stealth armor covers your bone armor.
Yeah, it's kind of what a ghillie suit is designed to do. Is that just a flare? Stop hitting him.
Shut up, Bill.
I did nothing.
Alright, let's just go, guys. Alright, we got the camcorder. So...
Let's go down the other way.
I can make porn now.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
Oh, come on.
What's on this way?
More death.
Death and
Guys,
destruction.
there's another way down here.
We're right behind you, Zale.
Maybe shoot out the way so I can get through there.
Oh.
Did you just jump down?
Yeah, we
Yes.
both did. Oh, my health is at a quarter. I need to, you know, use some health. Hold up.
Cloth.
Why did I... Oh my god. I'm so stupid.
We already established this.
Shut up.
We've known about this for quite some time.
Don't be rude to the poor... the monetized.
Oh, that's nice. Let's not go that way.
What is it?
3 guys.
What's down here, though?
I don't know. Never been in this game.
It's very laggy, so it's loading in something.
2 babies, 3 guys.
Sound warning.
They can smell fear.
They can smell fear.
Popping flare.
Sound warning.
Back up.
Well, why'd you throw a Molotov?
Stop.
Pop another flare a bit further down. Oh god, there goes my armor. Thanks, tennis racket.
Why are you fighting with the tennis racket, really?
No, one of the cannibals had a tennis racket. Skeet, pop a flare a bit further down.
You're not dead? Dead now. Sorry guys if I'm blowing your eardrums. Let me re-equip my katana.
I lost most of my armor.
There you go, guys.
This one right here.
It's Skeet. It would have really helped if you popped a flare a bit further down.
Why don't we light the fire and burn these guys? Building a fire.
There's 2 guys.
Kill them.
These guys are lit AF, as the kids say.
Back hurts. I was just about... That would have been horrible to say.
Hello, my fellow kids.
You know what I was about to say?
What?
I wish we could burn the babies. Without even thinking about it.
Don't take it out of context.
No, we were talking about these things. That's a heart. Where did the hearts come from?
We're not playing Crusader Kings. We are playing the Forest.
Just don't expect any clean content. Oh, there's a guy behind you. Somebody. I don't know where he took off to.
Well, one of the bodies didn't land on the fire.
What's down here?
How don't you tell us? What's on?
I'll tell you in a minute.
I can't see. I am literally freaking black screening. Holy Jesus! You had to. Alright,
It's an area with more skinnies and a tent.
Where did he go? You saw him, right, Zip?
Mm-hmm.
Where did he go? Did I kill him?
Popping a flare.
So it's an area with more skinnies and a tent.
Oh, okay.
I don't see him.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Oh, this is getting... Oh. Alright, so, you know, right now we're playing Fire Simulator. Sorry, guys.
Cave,
playing Burn the
caveman
Body
simulator.
Simulator.
It's caveman simulator.
Yeah, right. I wish I.
Ugh.
Ooga.
Ugh.
Ooh. Oh, found
Ooga
passenger
chaka.
8A. Found passenger 8D, not A.
Ooh.
Alright, what's over here, Skeet? I'm coming to you.
That's what I'm looking at right now. Oh shit! Oh, Jesus Christ!
I can't see.
Ooh, fish.
Oh.
Tons of fish.
Did you guys dive?
No, we went left.
This is so dark, even with the torch or the flare.
I found fish. Okay. I can't even get the fish. They're swimming away. Stupid fish.
So, I went to go explore, and the enemies that were in this cave didn't spawn in. So when they spawned in right in front of my face.
Alright, well, I'm coming to you.
Rip.
Ripperoni.
Ripperoonie.
Are you okay, Skeet? Is it safe to come up?
Maybe.
It's
The
never
baby.
safe.
Where are you? Bad. Oh, I hit him with my spear. I have no spear.
Popping flare. Or are we clear?
Ow, baby.
Where is
Silence.
I hit the guy with my spear. Does somebody see my spear?
Ski, hit the baby on your left.
Ow, fuck.
Alright, I'm gonna throw the bodies
Behind
down.
you.
I'm throwing the bodies down so we can go burn them.
Don't. No, we've come this far.
Oh, I threw it off already.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm just gonna do this just for, armors.
Yeah, I threw the body down already, so you're gonna.
Yeah, you threw all of them down?
I threw 2.
Why?
Or 1. Only 1, not 2. Wait, can I spear the baby? Oh, I can't do anything to it. Look, I can spear this guy though.
No, you can't.
Are you sure?
Well, you may not.
See?
I blocked it.
That has no block. Oh, sorry guys, that was my necklace you could hear.
Stop showing off your swag.
Bag my swag.
Yeah, you swagged.
Alright, keep going up, I'm guessing? Oh, God. My swagger. We left Zale Skeet, I think.
Don't forget me.
So you want to hit
Tent.
another
We can
story.
save here
Yeah.
at the tent.
You think you can take me? Don't forget me.
I saved at the tent, and there's flares inside the tent. I'm gonna take them.
This is
Like, comment, and subscribe if you get that reference.
You're almost as bad as someone doing a merch plug. You want to sleep in the tent, or
Check out Unfaithful Dragon SoundCloud.
I don't have a fucking SoundCloud. I'll stab you.
No, you're not.
you like those bats?
I know, right? It's like we're used to it now. So
I am the knight. I am vengeance.
All right, let's go back. Let's go back.
why?
All right.
'Cause
Because
we
that's an
haven't-
exit.
New item added to the to-do list.
Just down here. Nothing.
Oh my god.
I didn't say you had to follow me.
Whoa. Oh my bad. My
I just said
flashlight's
what's down here.
my flashlight's going dead. Whoever's flashlight's behind me is like a freaking bright light compared to mine. Yeah, my
Yeah, I have the
flashlight
other
just totally died. It's at 0%. And
I hate how it's one of those old-timey flashlights that doesn't stay consistent,
yeah, right.
like an LED.
Well, we're gonna have to use a torch, guys.
I mean old-timey flashlights.
Old time flashlights, you know, non LEDs.
Yeah, like
You never had like one of the toy plastic torches when you were a kid. that had like the different changing lights.
That's old timey.
For us, it is.
It's older timey.
So you're
You know,
saying
so
like
no,
10
I'm
years ago is old timey.
Yeah, time goes
It's
quickly.
old time for us.
And in case you haven't noticed the technology that's around here,
Zelda technology.
technology.
Is there a river right next to you guys?
Yeah.
There's no
Well,
such
it's
thing.
kind of a pond.
Oh yeah, I made it without taking damage. You know.
Why doesn't the scuba gear come with a
Scooby Dooby Doo.
You know, I'm just gonna put in this title of this video, trick jump shots or some shit.
Stick and jump shots, boy.
360, 480, 120.
Just clickbait the shit out of this video.
Dive, dive, dive!
Oh, we're diving? I don't have my scuba gear on.
I don't have my ski mask.
I'm having flashbacks of the Little Mermaid in Kingdom Hearts. There's an arm. There's an arm. It was, oh my god, both
It was perfect.
Kingdom Hearts 1 and 2, Little Mermaid World. I think everyone can agree that no one liked it. The first game was, halfway passable because it was, the gameplay was interesting, but the second game, I am getting 11 FPS.
I'm not doing too bad. How are you getting 11 FPS?
I don't know.
Here, look. Here's fuel.
Alright, we'll refill our chainsaws right here. How do you refill your chainsaw? Use. Okay, there we go. My chainsaw's full.
My chainsaw is full on.
Good. Arrows.
No, this is fun. I have no one.
Oh, Christ! Guys, come out of your inventory. Guys, really come out of your inventory.
Oh, that's
Bye.
nice.
Bye!
I'm lagging so bad. I'm getting what Zale said.
Yeah, goodbye.
I don't even have my rebreather on, but fuck. I can't
Just
see.
stay here.
I cannot see where I'm going.
Skeet ran past them all. We're just in the water like, oh, hi. Zale, can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Where are you? Oh, you're there. I'm gonna... Go ahead, you first.
Go.
Wait for me.
Where's the Virginia?
Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. Right under you, Skeet. I don't know what's going on. I'm equipping my
If
flashlight.
someone throw a flare so I can shoot this thing with my bow.
Oh, hi.
I'd like to buy me spotted trouble.
Oh! Skeet, how'd you get up there? Quick. Same way I am? No, I'm guessing not.
You know, me trying to climb the walls reminded me of a funny story about my friend's cat.
Hold on.
So,
hold on. Wait. Let's get through this, and then you can start telling stories.
that was a bad one.
Skeet, you need some light. There you go. Have some light.
Holy sh!
Hey, Virginia, stay lit.
Stay lit, fam.
Skeet, you might want to move a little bit. Got her.
I was in my inventory.
I hit her with a dynamite.
I was in my inventory and missed that whole thing.
Nice one-liner there.
Why? You missed the entire thing for your audience? Wow.
You're what?
0 out of 10.
Shut up.
I
What do
threw
you
a
miss?
dynamite at the Virginia and it died.
I need to eat. I needed to eat and drink and equip my flare gun because I was going to shoot a flare at it. Is that dead? Alright, there's a fire here, right? Yeah, let's just burn. Okay. Lighter. That's all I have. Stupid thing. I found a tooth.
A tooth?
A tooth. For my two front teeth.
Toofuses.
Wanna sleep here? Or you just wanna save?
No.
I'm gonna save.
Why? What's the purpose of sleeping?
Whoa!
Yeah, why would we sleep in a cave?
Because we're very tired.
It's fairly obvious. It's not safe.
Alright, so I'm gonna stop this recording here, guys. We're gonna continue it in the next episode. I'll see you
AKA
guys later.
immediately.
Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.